Assalamu alaikum, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. How can I help you, sir?
Sir, I know you are very fluent in English, so how can I be fluent in English, sir?
Okay, if you want to be fluent in English, you have to read some English book and you have to practice. There is no other way to be fluent.
Which books are very beneficial for me?
Okay, let me suggest for you. Every book is so good, but these books are so essential and beneficial for you. You are
Really? Oh, English fantasy. I
Yes.
hear this book, sir. This book is very essential for every student, sir.
Not just for students, sir. This book is essential for everyone who wants to learn English and be fluent in English.
Oh.
This is our class book, and there is so many structure in this book.
Yeah.
And here is the pocket book, sir. You
Oh.
can carry it anywhere.
Oh, I know. Sir, what's the price of this book, sir?
So its real price is 1,200, but we have some discount, and that's why you can give me only 599. This is the fixed price, sir.
I need this book, sir. Okay, sir. I will buy this book, sir. Sir, here is the money, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And remember something.
Yes, sir.
Remember something. You can buy this book, but you can't buy its knowledge. So it is so important.
Okay, sir. I will try my best. Pray for me, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Come
Goodbye,
again.
sir. Okay, sir.